Hi, welcome to the channel. We've just finished clearing off with a homemade scraper a moss-riddled roof. If you take a look at the video there, there'll be a link there to show you that. But what we're going to do now is we're going to have a go, because that was a homemade scraper we've used, we're going to have a go at making a homemade moss sprayer as well, using this old sprayer here, lance off a pressure washer, and we're going to make a little couple adapter ourselves, modify this bit here. Well, we'll just get on and do it. We'll show you, see if it works. Okay, so we've got this existing sprayer here. What we want to do is attach a thicker hose to it, and the hose we've got is off a pressure washer. So we're having to make this attachment, little homemade attachment here. Bit of trial and error involved in that. Yeah, we've made this little section here. It's not quite big enough, so we're just going to put a bit of insulation tape there just to make the outside diameter a bit bigger so that our hose will Jubilee clip over the top of that. Right, so that's it. We've got our hand pump attached to our long hose with the pressure washer lance on the end. Let's get out in the garden and give it a go. Right, and we're just reusing the decorator's pole that we've used on for the moss scraping, and we're just going to use that for a bit extra reach. We're going to tape our lance and a little bit of hose to that. So here we are, we're just using moss away. We're going to put 4 bags in there, 4 doses into our sprayer, and we're going to put them in the top of the sprayer. They'll dissolve down. That's what Moss Away does. It's a company that's established. It's been going for about 40 years. They sell millions of bags of this stuff every year. But yeah, we know it works. So when we started using it, there's 2 of us using it, one pumping it. It was very easy. You could do it one person, just pumping, building a bit of pressure up there, and we're just spraying it on methodically. We've gone from right to left, working top to bottom, and that was it. Real simple job. So there we are. That's it. We've got it sprayed on. We have to leave that a little while for it to kill all the moss that's on there, and that'll prevent the moss from growing back. Looks fantastic. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and drop a comment below. Let us know what you think. We'll see you on the next one.